recording. Oh, you didn't tell me that. And Eurolex has been really interesting this year. A lot of interesting talks. I particularly enjoyed the discussion on online dictionaries yesterday, and lots of interesting people. It was a good chat, good socialising. Looking forward to the dinner tonight. Can I stop it now?
Fantastic Congress. Really well organised. Nice food. Lovely locale. Wonderfully equipped. Fantastic. That's all I have to say.
So it seems that I have to speak. I think that this Congress is very good. The location is optimal. Attendance is very, very interesting. We saw a lot of Dutch people, Frisian people. We heard not a lot of Dutch and Frisian spoken outside their session, but for the rest it was very interesting, and I'm very happy that the Frisian Academy brought us all here, because otherwise I wouldn't have known of Frisia except for the expression Frisian horse, which is tied to type of war we don't fight any longer, and so it was not an easy association. Okay, also Frisian cow, this was a more interesting and good association.
Very good.